Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be sharing with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And we would be also sharing with you the remote job opportunities. So the very first job opportunity is for the test engineers. So there is a requirement for test engineers with 3 to 5 years of experience to join the team in Bangalore. And if you have expertise in automation, Selenium, security, performance testing, manual testing, API testing, then you can apply for the job opportunity. And this is the email address. Then there is a requirement for SDET. It's a remote job opportunity. 4 to 7 years of experience is required. And they need someone who is having experience in functional as well as in automation testing, mobile web API performance using Appium, Selenium, Postman, and JMeter. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then Systango company is hiring for QA, functional testers, manual testers, and they are looking for someone with experience of 3 to 5 years. And it's an immediate joiner position. The location is Indore. And apart from that, there is one more job opportunity in the same company, and this is the email address. Then one more company which is hiring for devs, software engineers, automation engineers, SDETs, seniors, leads. So you can send your CV to this email address. Then L&T Technology Services is seeking a test automation engineer in Pune, and you can connect directly at this email address. Nagaro is hiring for automation test engineer. Designation is associate staff engineer, and the experience is 5 to 10 years. The skill set is Playwright, JavaScript or TypeScript, API testing, rest assured, and the location is Gurugram, Noida. So if you're interested, you can share your resume with details on this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for functional testers, and the email address is provided. The location is Bangalore. The experience required is 3 to 6 years. So you can apply for the position. Then PayU is hiring for the QA role in Bangalore, and you can email your resumes on this particular email address. They are looking for someone with experience of 1 to 5 years in the field of software testing. Location is Bangalore. Immediate joiners serving notice period or 1 month notice period is preferred. Right. Then TCS is hiring for automation testers. So interested folks can share their updated resume to this email address. So they have come forward for providing you the referrals. So please don't spam their email box. So skills, job ID, location, and year of experience is required while sending the email. Let me share the list of openings in TCS company. So these are the openings that you will have in TCS: Selenium with Java, Tosca automation testing, Python automation testing with robot framework, then automation testing Selenium Playwright, automation architect, then automation testing Selenium and API. So lots of automation testing job opportunities are there. Selenium, API, BDD, Cucumber, JavaScript, TypeScript, Cypress, Playwright with C#, and the locations are also Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. Experience, if you can see, 4 to 10 years, 4 to 9 years, 6 to 12 years, 5 to 12 years, 3 to 8 years. So 3+ years of experience is required. In some companies, even in some positions, even 2+ is fine. So you can apply for these positions. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.